Good afternoon. I'm almost ready, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you are. Let's give some chance to the slow pokes to come online. Everybody, a very good afternoon to you. Welcome to the live trading room. I'm Ashley Reeve here, guys. Before we do get started, remember the information we discuss in the video is opinion and should not be construed as advice in any way. It is a pleasure, it is a blessing to be with you here this afternoon. It's the 30th of September. Can you believe it? It's already the end of the month. We steamrolling into October, all right, and that's going to be tomorrow. So, guys, new trading month coming up, yeah? Let's finish strong. Let's wait for some of the slow pokes. Come on. I'll get on that chat facility right now. Give me a second. Waiting for you. Waiting for some of the slow pokes to come online. Another minute or two, and then we're going to get started with today's session. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm ready to go. I hope you guys are. All right, let's see who we have. Jules, Makaya, Anthony, I see you. Jace, Ozil, I see you right there. King, what's up? Yes, absolutely. I love the Afrikaans there, King. All right, I hope you guys are good, man. It's really good to be alive, guys. 5 minutes after 2, and I'm ready to push forward. I hope you guys are. Oh, yes, I hope you are. Zama, I see it. Yeah. All right, guys. We back, and we better than ever, yeah? righty then. Ozil, what happened to the class link? Hardly I hearkened to the class. The link should be there. Could be connection. You know, there's many times we have many clients that do attend our Zoom classes, guys. What's important to remember about that, guys, connectivity does play a role. The classes has ended. Yes, that was for this morning, but we have another one coming up at 3:30 and then at 6 o'clock. All right, this is the live trading room. This is not going to be any teaching. This is looking for trading opportunities. We'll be going through a couple of classes, but yeah, sometimes the connectivity, all right, they really play a big part, all right. But yes, 10 o'clock, 3:30 and 6 o'clock. Please chat to your account manager. They will get you the links. But remember, to get into those classes, you have to fund your account. That's the only term and condition. All right. So please make sure that you do that. Fund your account, speak to your account manager, send through that proof, make sure that you're good and you get into those classes. Yeah. But guys, this is the live trading room. We're going to go for about 50 minutes. This is the NFP week. You guys know how we roll with NFP. To everybody that's joining for the very first time, you know, I don't want to waste too much time on the intro. I want to get into the charts, but it is mandatory, it's protocol, and we follow it. So a warm welcome to everybody that is here for the very first time, and for all the regulars that is supporting and here with us on a weekly basis. All right, thank you very much for always tuning in and making your presence known right here at TD Markets and TD Markets Academy. Guys, let's get back into this right now. All right, whatever you're trading on the charts, feel free, put them on the chat facility and let me know. Guys, I've not done extra homework today. I'm actually, really looking forward to analyzing with you right here. There's many times we do change it up. Sometimes we'll have some charts prepared already, and there's times when we don't. Today's one of those days. I don't have a lot of charts prepared. I want to analyze live right here with you and look for some opportunities. All right. Ozil, if you can, please, man, at this point in time, just, will you please just speak to the account manager at this point in time? You can also, email care@tdmarkets.com. I put it in the chat facility there. I can unfortunately not assist one individual right now with one query, but we have an entire support team that's going to help you. All right. So quickly email whilst we deal with everyone else that's right here now as well. Very, very sorry to hear about the experience. We will definitely make it up if it is something that's occurring, frequently on a regular basis. But there we go, care@tdmarkets.com. Quickly reach out to our support team. All right, Ozil, that's for you. All right, that's for you. Quickly. Anthony, I see they're good to be here. You're welcome, Ozil. Good to be here and missing my class these days because of other commitments. But all right, you're going to bounce back. That's all good. I see. Let's chill hard. These classes are dope, beautiful. Yes, Jules, GBP AUD is on the books. I got the Euro AUD for you as well. We're going to check it out now. All right. So, guys, let's get started. I got Jules's there. Whatever you're trading, let a brother know, and we're going to get into it. All right. So firstly, let's get into this Euro AUD here. Then let me bounce to the correlation for Jules. There were GBP AUD. We're going to be in the neighborhood, right? And then Jace will get to that NZD USD for you over there because I got the other majors lined up as well. All right. So Euro AUD, guys, tracking this sucker here on a 4-hour time frame. Looking for a short right now. Jules, put in the chat facility there. Are you also looking for a short? Quickly, just put it in there. I'm looking for a short on the Euro AUD. It's looking pretty good here. At this point in time, I just need some more follow through below the 1.77506. 1.77506. Once I get a break beneath that area there, I'm going to look for about a 15-minute time frame or 15-minute candle. If I can get a close beneath the trend line that I've used here, guys, you'll see that I have the triangle. I'm using that as a technical tool, putting some parameters in place for myself. If we break out of that triangle as well as the support there at 1.77506, I'm going in for that shorter. That's what I want to do. That's about a 66 pip run there. Jules, you looking for a buy. All right, so you're looking for a buy. Probably, correct me if I'm wrong, I see the Euro AUD has a wick here as well. We could very well just go and retest it, right? So we're really just stuck right now in the mud. So we're going to look at the GBP AUD and see if there's anything similar over there right now. So let me go to the GBP AUD. I have it on another template here. Here we go. All right, so following this one on a, this is an 8-hour frame. I was initially looking for a long, all right, Jules, I was, but we've broken below that area there. So right now, there's still some shorts that I'm looking for here. This one is resuming a much larger trend here, or a much larger structure on the daily, all right, on the daily. I actually just want to look, where's the proper swing higher? Let's go to work, guys. Today, I'm really just looking to go to work and just put a lot of, time into looking at the structures that we have going here. And Jules, at this point, my friend, 1.98 is a strong support, but I'm going to be a little bit more accurate and precise with this. Let me just get this force index off here. Sorry, guys. All right, so here we go. So I'm going to be a little bit more accurate in the exit over here. That one's not going to work. It's too far away for this session. All right, so here we go. I'm using a Fibonacci retracement tool. Like I said, I didn't put any work in. I wanted to do it live with you guys, and give that type of experience. So 200,842. Let's make it even smaller, Jules. Let's make it even smaller here. Let's make that range even smaller over here. All right, I know you said you're looking for a buy, but right now, my friend, this thing looks really bearish. 2.022, 2.02250. But there is a condition. There's a condition here. We have to break the trend line first. All right, I'll only consider the buy here if we break above this resistance over here, 2.036. I hope you can see that. And you can see the Euro AUD, the GBP AUD has the same wick over there. All right, so let's see. So GBP AUD, Jules, look at that. There's a wick there as well that we could go and correct. But we got to break above this 2.03673 before that happens, all right? And then there's a 32 point. So this is really going to be risky here for some of the guys, all right? So this is for the buyers now. This is for the buyers. I'm going to use another trend here. I'm going to use another one. Look at this. Hold on. It's going to be very risky. This one's going to be risky. Let's get to work. Let's get to work. Let's get to work. So this is for the buyers now, all right? This is for the buyers. For Jules. Julesy. All right, this is for the buyers. I got you. I got you right here. So remember, we're actually looking for a short, but there could be a short-term buy here. CM Tanda, of course, man. Of course we can. I got Jace on the NZD USD and I got you on the GBP USD. I'm looking for shorts in the GBP USD. Jules, you might just get what you need here, my friend. You might just get what you need here. All right, you might just get. Let me just clear this up a little bit so you guys can see what we're working with, okay? Let me just clear this up a little bit here. Let me take this off. All right. So what we're working with here now, Jules, and all the guys that are looking for a long here, we're going to be looking at the minute frames, okay? Minute frames, risky trade. Above this block right here, long, 37 pips, up to 2.03805. That's what we're looking for, all right? It's pretty straightforward. 6 minute, 3 minute time frame. We need a very big push to the upside. I'm going to leave it exactly like this. I'm not changing that. Jules, you got it? Right? Right there. We leave it just like that. We're going to wait. 2.03426. It's going to be a very risky trade, this. Guys, remember, Ash can't tell you, buy. I cannot. We do not offer advice. From a training educational standpoint, probability that when price creates a new high, there's a higher probability price pushes up. All right. So that's what we're going to be looking for. All right. I think I'll just join in this one here. All right. There's GBP AUD. Let's quickly get to some of the other guys. Jules, keep an eye on that for me. All right. Let me know the moment it breaks there whilst I'm on the other charts. Maybe just take this point down here. Type it there. Have it ready, 2.03426, and I'm going to count on you, all right, to let me know as I'm busy with other charts. Put in the chat facility, monitor the 3-minute, the 2-minute, the 1-minute. If you see a long bullish candle to the upside, pop it in the chat facility very quickly and say, Ash, there's a break, there's a close, okay, above 2.03426 GBP AUD. Let's move to the next one, yeah? Come on. GBP USD and NZD USD, yeah? All right, Jace, I got you. And then I'm going for Siamtanda. And then I got Anthony. All right, I'm checking out. I'm trying to go in order. All right, guys. Let's go NZD USD, yeah? Jace, what are you looking for here, man? What are you looking for here? Come on. Guys, you'll notice when we do come online, I like to change it up, show the guys different ways to analyze. Sometimes I'll use indicators, sometimes I won't. Sometimes it's just pure price action, market structure, sometimes indicators. In this case, I'm using the Force Index here. Brilliant oscillator, similar to the relative strength index. And so when you see there's a zero parameter there, when price is above the zero, force of buyers are in. Below the zero, force of sellers is in. Right now, at this point in time, there is, from a shorter time frame perspective, there is some upside. And the higher, higher time frame, or at least the more dominant trend, is the orange here. The orange, that's the past 90 period, or it's a 90 period, and then this is a 13 period. So the 90 period is the much longer, more extended, and you can see we are still pushing to the upside. Have not pushed into a bullish trend yet, but the shorter time frames has. Now I'm looking for divergence here. All right, I'm looking for divergence. Now when I say that, I'm looking for two types of movements. I'm looking for one to the downside and then the other to the upside. So at this point in time, you can see that there seems to be a bit of upside coming here. Look at that. All right. That point over there and that point over there, if I can just align them really quickly for you, Jace, to give context. Look at that there. And look at this area over here. And if you look at it from that zone there and that zone over here. Hold on. I beg your pardon. Right over there. So you can see that we've pushed above the zero. There seems to be a bit of upside here. So I'm going to quickly put that on. I'm going to take the Force Index off because short term we have something here now. Let me get my triangle. Ash, why are you using that? I'm using it as a technical tool because what we do is we train our students to be well-rounded. All right. In this, you're going to find your way. You're going to find the way you trade. Jace, what are you looking for here? Are you looking for a long here? Let me just see. Go back to the... are you looking for a buy? Are you looking for a short? What are you looking for here? Short term. Looks like there could be some upside here. All right. Some upside here. GBP USD the same. All right. Looks like there's some upside here on the GBP USD. All right. And the NZD. So a break above this area here. That's going to be for the guys that want to go in immediately. That's going to be batch 1. Batch 2 will be above the trend line. Make a note of that. Chase, where you at? I'm looking for you. I'm looking for you. All right. Oh, sell. Sorry. You're anticipating a sell? All right. So you're anticipating a sell. All right. So that will match the higher or the longer period. For now, there could be some upside here. All right. So we're waiting now to see what's happening here. Let me take this off so it doesn't confuse any of the guys that's watching here. That's the support. We've already pushed up. We've created high, higher high. That's 2 of them. Another break above is going to be for batch number 1 for some buyers. Some of the guys will get in, and then some guys will be more conservative, batch 2, to get in there. All right, so quickly, wherever you are, if you're interested in the NZD USD, this is going to be a pip run from there to there is about 56 pips. Very nice run to the upside. I'm seeing something similar happen now in the GBP USD, even although I saw a lot of downside here first. Okay, I saw a lot of some downside here. If we do go, I have some areas planned out. However, let's go and see what's happening on that force index. I'm using it again. But I'm not using the period 2. Let's use 13, which is the standard period that you use on the force index according to Elder Force. And there's definitely some upside here, guys. Let me just get that 0 in quickly. 0 is the parameter. 0 is the parameter, my people. And we are well above it right now. All right, we have 2 points here that is critical. All right, can you see the upside here? So there we have some upside. But here, there's a slant to the downside. There's divergence here. All right, there is divergence here. So let's go and find a swing high. Now, I want you to pay attention to this. Look at this. See that zone right there? That's the swing high. There's not a lot of volumes in that. All right, but look at this point here. All right, it's much higher. So we're going to draw our structure now from there. We're going to bring it out and we up. All right, I'm taking the force index off. I only use it momentarily. Let me actually take that off as well so you don't get confused about with what you're seeing. All right, so here we have a very steep climb here. Very steep climb. Let me zoom in. Very steep climb here. Some of the guys are already going in here. Oof. Some guys are already in here, guys. There's some guys that's already in. All right, so there's 3 areas here. Let me give them to you quickly. 3 batches. There's 3 batches here. All right, 1 is already in. That's now, right now, that's right now. Batch 2 is above 1.34561. That's batch 2. All right, and then batch 3, which is not something that what are the guys are going to get into batch 3 here? Give me a second. Let's go to work, ladies and gentlemen. You know, one thing I really love about what we're doing is we right here, right now, live demonstrating at this point in time. This will be batch 3, guys. That is the conservative guy. All right, so there's 1, there's 2, there's 3. You got to decide, ladies and gentlemen. You know, myself and T, when we get on these lives, we don't tell our guys, get in here. No, we give options. You decide, okay? So 1.34561 is the next. A break and close above that zone. Let me just put it in brackets so you guys can see it. 1.34561. There we go. Break and close above there. That's someone's bread and butter right there. And then let's put this one and table that for all you great people. Yeah. 1.35162. Look at that. All right. So this is for the guys. There's now current price above 1.34561. Jace. Possible move above there, my brother. So you're gonna have to watch that out. We're gonna have to Euro AUD is pushing down. So you see, we have to be very careful here. Look at Euro AUD. Look at Euro AUD here, guys. There's no 15-minute. Guys, do yourself a favor. Get a candle timer if you don't have it. Visit the marketplace. You can access it, through this little market bag right there. And you can get yourself a nice candle timer right there. It's a free indicator you use, all right? We got about 3 minutes left here before this 15-minute closes, and I'm going to get in for that short. But I am aware of this. I'm aware of that. So I'm still going to take the risk. That's just Ash. Remember, everybody has their own risk appetite. You got to decide what you know where yours is. Mine is right here, and I'm very aware. Even if it retraces up, I'm okay with that. I still see the downside here, so I'm willing to wait. All right, but that does not mean it applies to everybody. We have to be clear about that. All right, so let's loop back real quickly. You can see I'm taking my time. We got 4 opportunities so far. We got Euro AUD, possible short here to the downside, waiting for that 15-minute candle to close. I got 2 minutes left there. GBP USD, there is currently at this point in time guys in already. They've already gotten in. All right, to both sides, either short or long. I'm ready. I'm not getting in here. I will get in if price closes above 1.34561. All right, that sounds 3456. Once it closes above there, that's when I will get in, because that's a higher high. All right, then I will take it up to this area over here. But I have a rule for myself. All right, and guys, remember, we shed some light on many things so you can also find something that works for you. So because of a dollar account, I normally look for double-digit profits, because I know if it's double digits in dollars, I'm going to have triple digits in rands. And so that's going to be a critical one there. All right, double-digit profit in dollars gives me a triple digits in rands. And in South Africa, paying for most things, at this point in time is going to require triple digits. All right. So if you are hearing what I'm saying to you, I hope you are, then get that gem right there. All right. So I'm looking for double-digit profits in my dollar account. I've got goals, yes, but double digits, $25, $30, $40, $50. I'm okay with that. And I want to make it as realistic as possible to the guys. And then obviously you have the guys that want triple digits in dollars. Nothing wrong with that. That simply means you moving with 4 digits in rands. All right. All right. So get the gem that I've just mentioned to you there. So we're waiting for GBP USD, Euro AUD, nothing yet. 46 seconds left. NZD USD, nothing happening there right now. And then obviously, Jules, from that perspective, you can see this one's also not doing anything. So let's move on then to the next thing here. I have to give the guys the GBP yen. I had the GBP yen yesterday, and I've already taken profits over there. You can see it's reached my area there, 1.98. This was for, let me see, Siamtanda. I think it was for you. Hold on. Oh, no, sorry. That was for Anthony. Anthony, GBP yen. It's already reached the area. If the GBP USD goes up, we could get a correction now. All right. That means the GBP yen could correct as well back to that 199. But as far as profits is concerned on this one, it's done. We're obviously waiting for another trade here. But there's a lot happening on the left-hand side over here. There's a lot happening on the left-hand side, and that's the impulse, or at least the structure that impulse has created, all right? So we could just push back up again, and we're going to wait and see. Same with the CHF JPY. All the the first target has been met. If you look at our chart of the day of yesterday, that CHF JPY, the short came out nicely. We're waiting now to go to 184.946. So at this point, it's a waiting game on that one over there. I'm seeing there, Siamtanda, news release at 4 p.m. Yeah, look, it's NFP, man. So there's going to be quite a few releases. We have ADP tomorrow as well. The JOLTS now. The JOLTS might do nothing. The ADP might do nothing. And remember, I'm using might very, very, selectively, and I mean intentionally. That might do nothing, and then we might only see a movement on Friday. So I'm really just looking at this technically right now, because that's all we can do at this moment in time. All right, so let's loop back. GBP USD, Euro AUD, nothing here. Look at that, it closed above. I'm not taking this trade at all at this point in time. It's closed above that support, 1.77. All right, so this GBP USD might just pop out here, eh? We might just have it right here. I also have the silver price. Looking for a short over here, guys. Looking for a short over here. down to 45.198. Looking for a close and a break now beneath 46.013. That's for silver. That's for silver. All right. Let me just type that in so you can see what I'm looking at there. 46.013. Looking for a break and close beneath that area over there. On the 2-hour time frame, looks fantastic. All right. That looks beautiful. I'm just looking at a shorter time frame to get in. That's it. All right, still expecting it to drop to about 45.198. 45.198. Let me just put that sucker in there so you can see it for yourself. 45.198. All right. We also have a gold to the euro that I'm looking at. A gold to the euro. Let me just refresh my chat here, guys. Everybody's still good. Let's see what's happening here. You guys all right? All right, looking at that gold to the euro here as well. Looking for the downside, guys. Currently correcting. Beautiful structure that has panned out. Broken above, beneath, given us the low. Creating a lower high now. We're not sure yet, until where that's going to travel to. We got to wait and see. It is currently in between this zone here and this zone here. Let me show you what I mean by that. It's currently in between that area over there. So I'm looking at the left-hand side, and price could just retrace back up too because it's inside. Remember, we broke out of that area. So it generally does go back between that range. If it breaks there, then we're going into the next range, which is above, which means this may not work out for us, okay? This might not work out. So those are the two ranges that we're looking at. So we're looking at the first one here for price to stop. It could break above, reject there, and then come down, but we're gonna have to wait and see. Look at those two ranges there. All right, that's what we're gonna wait and see how that pans out. The gold price this morning took a bit of profits on this one here, short sell there, and we're looking to see if it's gonna further or drop further to the downside. Again, we're looking for some divergence. On the 90 period, you can see right there, that's a beautiful area right there. A lot of pressure to the downside, but still bullish. Listen to what Ash is saying. Downside pressure going to the zero, but still bullish. Okay? You can see on the 13 period over there, same zone. All right? And you can see this one is moving to the upside. So shorter term, the green force index is moving and connected with the actual price chart. So which means we're going to go to a much shorter time frame and we're going to engage it right there. All right, that area right there you can see. Hold on, let me show you so you can see. You see that zone right there? That's the actual swing low. That's the actual swing low. And on the chart, it's exactly the same one there. So that's the actual swing low, which means we are more bullish right now. All right, we are more bullish right now. So if I take that, let's connect. So this is what we're looking at right here. Let me take the force index off. You can see how I've just found my swing high, my swing lows. I use at times the oscillators because sometimes the price can give us a bit of a challenge there. So there we go. This here becomes our zone that we would possibly back where I got out. I got in and I got out. And, some of the guys might want to get into this over here. I'm going to be a little bit, hold on. Let me be a little bit more. Let me take this off. You guys are enjoying the stream, guys. I said I want to go to work inside the stream. I didn't want to do anything or prepare charts for you. I wanted to do it inside here. All right, so here we go. Beautiful push to the upside if it happens. That means silver might do exactly the same thing, guys. We could get a push to the upside just so. Weaker dollar here possibly. Kilo Yankee, I see it there. All right, I'm taking my time, guys. All right, I'm taking my time here. Look at that beautiful push, guys. I think I'm going to push in with the gold here. It's already at a beautiful place. I want to go in for a long here if... All right, so I got a 5-minute frame here. If I can get a push This will be for the batch number 1. I'm going to take my risk here. I'm going to go in there. All right. I know there's some guys, they might want to only go above, but then the move is done, you know. So I'm going to go in. If I get a 5-minute candle or 3-minute candle, yeah. If I get a 3-minute or 5-minute candle closing above here, I'm going to go in. It's literally resisting right now. So I'm not doing anything on the gold price. Okay, so let's loop back quickly. All right, are you guys good? Yeah? Come on. You know, guys, there's nothing like live trading and looking at the charts in real time and getting that you know, that is it the thrill? All right. NZD USD, nothing. All right, Jace, nothing here. GBP USD, nothing happening there right now. Look. Look at that. All right, so 6 minutes left on the Euro AUD. I'm pushing in here. If I get my close beneath there, I got 6 minutes left. Now, guys, some of the guys would want to get in here now. They might want to get into, let's see here. If a 6-minute time frame closes beneath, remember, options. Some guys want to go in with a shorter time frame, 6-minute beneath 1.77414. Let me type it here. Man, I'm loving this stream, guys. Oh, I'm loving it. Look at this. 1.77414. That's a 6-minute close. There's 3 minutes left. This becomes an option, all right? I think I'd take that option if we can break and give me a nice candle there. So nothing yet. I'm going to leave it. I want to see what happens. Okay? So far, so good. Loop back, NZD USD nothing, GBP USD nothing yet, Euro AUD we're waiting. Euro USD. Challenge with this one is it's actually given us a fake out here. This is actually the swing high. That's a false breakout. All right. This is the swing high. That's a false breakout. So what I'm waiting for is for price to come back in, break beneath here, because if it comes in here and it comes in here and it breaks below, I got a beautiful scalp down to the downside, and the only reason why I'm waiting for down is because I need follow through, all right? Follow through. So I'm gonna wait for it. I'm not doing anything there. Silver price, nothing yet. XAU, Euro, nothing yet. Look at this. It's like it wants to break above. Small Indiana break above, but it's not enough. Look at that. So we're gonna go either way here, guys. We're gonna go either way. Let's wait and see, guys. It's 1440 now. Nothing. It looks like it's only the Euro AUD that's looking good right now. It's only the Euro AUD looking good. It's, you know, remember we still have 3:30 with the New York Open. So let's see how it goes here, guys. Let's see. Nothing yet. Jules, let's go and see your GBP AUD, man. Look at that, Jules. See that? See that, my friend? You see that? Still looking bearish, man. CHF JPY, GBP Yen. We're gonna have to wait and see here. Anthony, I'm still looking for my shorts. For sure, I'm looking for my shorts. If I can get a 50-minute candle beneath here, I'm going for my short as I planned initially. I'm not really looking to long here. I'm not gonna go in for any longs. If I can get my close beneath, I'm going for my initial plan, 198.736, all right? That's it there. Let's move back to what we were checking out now. All right, so gold, we're still in there. We're waiting. Silver, we're still waiting. Euro USD waiting. Euro AUD is descending. Look at that. Beautiful. Come on. All right, so it's closed. All right, let's see what happens here. Looks like we're going for I'm going for a 3-minute entry here. GBP USD, nothing yet. NZD USD, nothing yet. So Euro AUD, here we go. We got 2 minutes left. 2 minutes left, guys. I'm looking to go in here. Come on. If the Euro USD can come down, the GBP AUD come down, Euro AUD might just stand a chance here. Come on. Cheesy, very good question. Remember, it's NFP week, all right? It's day 2 of the week. We still have 3 days. So the volumes many times with a big week, especially after so much fundamentals. We got government shutdown that has actually pushed in and given us, a weaker dollar there. We have tariffs. So there's a lot of pressure of mixed opinions. Hence, you see, I'm trading a lot of the minor pairs. I'm not really looking at the dollar pairs because of the mixture. It is uncertain, it's unpredictable. Yes, we can trade it, absolutely. We're looking to engage at certain parts, but I'm trading the minor pairs because their movements are a little bit surer. Look at this one now. Look at that. That's 3 minutes. I'm waiting. I got 1 minute, 17 seconds left. If I get a close beneath there, I'm shorting. Do you see that? So all the fundamentals is putting a lot of pressure on the dollar at this point. Now look at that, 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 which means the GBP AUD, all right? GBP AUD is going to give us something there, Jules. So just make sure, my friend, that you might not be looking at something else on your side, all right? So let's see. We got 51 seconds. All right, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Euro, push this baby down for us, all right? Push the baby out. Push it out, push it out, push it out. Nice and calmly now, yeah? Take your deep breaths, and we're working with the contractions, yeah? We got 26 seconds left. We're waiting peacefully, calmly. If it doesn't come now, we gotta wait. We gotta wait. We gotta wait. 13 seconds. And I'm not looking for a small close. I'm looking for a good close. 6 seconds. It's not there, guys. No, I'm waiting. Now watch what I do. I'm bringing it down. And now I'm waiting for a 1 minute close. I'm now waiting for a 1 minute close beneath that same area that was just rejected. All right, 1.77401 is the next support. That's what I'm waiting for. Look, it's now dipped below. Created a small low there. We got 30 seconds left. 20. There we go. There we go. Come on, baby. Push the baby out. All right. Work with the contractions. 20 seconds. 20 seconds. 19. All right. 17. We're trading on minute chart. All right, guys. All right. And then I'm going to do something else. Watch. 10, 9, 8. It's below. I need, come on, don't be naughty. Look at that. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Okay. All right. I've just gotten in. Now, I'm very aware that this is a minute chart. We haven't had a 3-minute close beneath there. We have not had a 5-minute close there. So it's risky. We could go up again, but we are looking at the downside. I got in with something small for now. And I'm looking to go to the downside here. All right, let's see. I'm tracking it now in an hour. I am in. You can't see it there. I'm in. I'm in. I'm in. I'm in. Euro AUD. I've just gotten in there. The gold price. We in the range. It's still range bound. Gold to the euro range bound. Silver range bound. Euro USD, trap. Euro AUD, I'm in. GBP USD, range bound. NZD USD, range bound. So right now, what's standing out for Ash is Euro AUD and, no, come on. Apologies for that. And the gold to the dollar. Those are the two right now that Ash is looking at. I'm already in with the Euro AUD. Euro AUD, I'm already in. I'm already in. I'm expecting a correction. I told you guys I'm expecting a correction. It's okay. But that gold to the dollar, if I can get a beautiful push, either 3-minute or 6-minute time frame that closes above that resistance, I'm getting in. I'm getting in. All right, let's check out the GBP AUD again, as well as the GBP yen for the guys. All right, so we're still in there. I'm not doing anything. GBP yen, look at that now. GBP AUD, I mean. Look at that. Look at that, Jules. You might want to wait on that one, my friend. Look at this. Still to the downside there, okay? CHF-JPY. Below 185.447. 185.447. No, man. 1 second. 447. There we go. Close and break beneath there. We finish the move. Close and break there. We finish the move. GBP yen. Real time, ladies and gentlemen. I'm in on the Euro AUD. I'm in on the Euro AUD. I have gotten into a short Euro AUD. And you can see on the much higher time frames, there's still a lot. Look at that, a lot of downside here. Look at that. This is going to be a beautiful move to the downside on the 4-hour and so forth. Look at that. Beautiful move to the downside. All right. It's broken out of the triangle. The structure has been violated. So I have no doubt that this is moving down. I just wanted to catch a much earlier entry. That's it. I didn't want it to go and close beneath that area on a 4-hour. I wanted to get in that move earlier on. All right. So I'm in there now. And I'm waiting to see what happens now. All right, gold price, there we go. Come on. Yes, yes, yes. Some of the guys might want to go in with a 3-minute chart. 3-minute. Oof. 1 minute and 14 seconds left for all of the guys. Here we go. Gold price. Come on. Gold price. Yes, 57 seconds. Come on, baby. Yes. 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 49 seconds. Come on. Yes. It's created a high now. I just need a close above that, yeah? Look how stubborn that is now. We got 20 seconds left. It's not good enough. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Now I wait for 1 minute. I'm not happy with that, guys. I'm waiting for 1 minute now. Same as the Euro AUD. It's giving me the same thing. Rejection. Now I wait for 1 minute frame. If it closes above there, 3819. That's my entry. Gold. Gold. Hold on. 3819. I'm waiting for it now. Euro AUD, there's that correction. There's the correction, like I mentioned. All right, so I'm going to focus on the gold price now whilst I wait for Euro AUD. Beautiful push to the upside. Very nice candle. I just need another close. So this is a high now. I need a higher high. That's going to give me some fantastic follow through there. All right, so let's wait and see. Let's wait and see how this one goes, yeah? NZD USD, nothing there. GBP USD, nothing here yet. Euro USD, nothing here yet. Silver price, still range bound. Let's look at the Euro US 30 whilst we wait, guys. US 30, let's look for some divergence here. Very important one. Divergence is a very important one. All right, guys. Many of the guys that looks for divergence usually has a fantastic time getting some sweet spots. Yeah. So from a 4-hour perspective, you can see that the 90 period, the longer period, is very bullish. Oh, absolutely bullish. But when you go to the 1 hour here, you can start seeing, look at that there. Now we want to try and see, look at that. There was a break. Look at that. You see that? Now, what's important to note, look at this high here. That was where volumes really pushed up. Look at that. From there, we've just been pushing down, but that area there is going to be critical. This is telling us short term, all right, there is some upside here. Not only that, there's structure. We have a high, a higher high. So big chance, shorter time frame for us to go back to that zone over there. So I'm using the oscillator, not for entries. I'm using the oscillator, which is an indicator that comes with the MT5, all right, to give me some form of understanding of what is happening with price. Not only that, if I can just go back to that quickly, you also need to get the swing low. So this would be the swing low right there. This is going to be on a much shorter time frame, guys. Ooh, this is going to be a shorter time frame. If I go down, let's go down. It's going to be real short. Real short. Look at this. Back to this area here. This is a beautiful move, by the way. So, and you know, with the US 30, a move like this is a lot of money here. From there to there, beautiful. Now, there's some guys that have obviously gotten in here. And then there's guys that's going to get in here. This is short term, guys. This is not long term. Look at that. All right. So that's the US 30. Let's see what's happening now. All right. So Euro AUD. All right. Correction happening. All right. So we're above there now. We're above there. Look at that. It's pushed above. There's the correction happening. Okay. I've just gotten into gold here. I've just gotten into gold. There was a rejection and it's gone up. I'm in on gold for a long now. Euro AUD. I'm not too much worried about this one, guys. I'm still seeing the short that will come down, but US 30 not in there. I am in on gold. All right, I am in on gold for a long at this point in time. I'm gonna wait for it. Got about 5 minutes left. Look at this. I'm actually liking the. Yep. This is looking beautiful. If it. For the mere fact that it closed like this, I actually like it because this is unfinished business. So it's possibly going to move back just to correct a little bit, gathering some more contracts, all right, and then push out because this is already from a trend or at least a movement perspective. We've already created highs and a higher high. All right, so I'm waiting for price to push up. Remember, I'm into double-digit profits. Once I've made my double digits, I get out because I know it's triple digits in rands. Some of the guys might wait a little bit longer. All right. I anticipate price to possibly move back to 3850. But remember, guys, that's just what it looks like right now. Okay, that's what it looks like right now. There is another zone that you can possibly look at, and let me give that to you if you're holding. All right, so this is where it would possibly then. That's at 3834.99. There we go. So these are the two zones. Those are the two zones. All right. Looking good so far. Looking good. Looking good. How many pips is this? 146. Oof, beautiful. All right. Euro AUD now. Euro AUD really correcting. So which means, hold on. Jules, which means GBP AUD, my friend. Is there anyone else that's in gold here? Quickly, guys, just put in the chat facility. Anyone that has put gold in there? Is there anyone that like gold for that long there? Quickly, guys, let's go. All right, got you, Shira. Edgar as well. All right. So we're waiting to see here now, guys. It's looking great. Loving it. Range bound. Jules, that GBP AUD. GBP AUD, we're waiting for it, okay? Euro AUD, waiting for it. NZD USD, we're not doing anything here. GBP USD, nothing yet. Yeah, it's a bit slow, guys. It's a little bit slow. The technical move is there. You know, it's broken and closed above key areas. But there's not a lot of volumes right now. Yeah, volumes are a little bit low at this point in time. Volumes are a little bit low at this point in time. All right, guys, it is the second day of the NFP week. So that's why I'm not expecting anything crazy right now. Maybe 3:30 we could get some movements in the New York Open. But there's nothing crazy at this point in time. The JOLTS job openings there is coming out at 4 p.m. today. But I'm not expecting anything crazy, guys. From tomorrow, the ADP, I would actually look more at the ADP. But, you know, if I were to compare today and tomorrow, I would look at tomorrow for a lot of movement. And then the NFP, obviously, on Friday. I think that goes without saying. That's what we'll be looking for. But the gold price, for me, right now, the technical move is to the upside. I'm already in. I'm anticipating gold to go up. Obviously, I have my risk in place. Anything beneath 3807. Hold on. 3807.42. Any close beneath there, I will get out of gold. I won't stay in. But I mean, that's still far away. I mean, that's really far away at this point. Look at that. That's really far away. So even if price came down like this, like that, you know, I wouldn't do anything on my side. It is the close beneath here. That's when I would get out personally. That's me, because then it would have broken structure. Right now, there's a lot of support here. A lot of support there. And if it breaks beneath there, the entire support is taken out. So hence, I would not stay in. But right now, the technical move is to the upside. We're gonna have to wait and see how this pans out, guys. But it's Tuesday, guys. Nice and easy, nice and smooth though. We're gonna wait for today JOLTS, tomorrow ADP, and then obviously NFP, guys. Don't miss it. Myself and T, we will be on. But for today, guys, Euro AUD short. I am waiting for it to pan out. And then I got the US 30 waiting for it. I have not gotten into that one, but the gold price I'm in for that long. in a bit of a correction now. All right. I'll see you guys again on Thursday for another trading room. And then Friday, we got the NFP coming out. All right. That's it from me here, guys. Nice, smooth, clean, easy. We're seeing where the dollar is. Really unpredictable at this point in time. Minor pairs is the go-to. Indices is the go-to right now. And we're going to wait and see what happens then later on today with that JOLTS opening at 4 p.m. All right. See you guys on Thursday. Some of you guys in the classes. What a pleasure. What a privilege being with you guys here this afternoon. Remember, if you'd like to open up an account, guys, don't forget www.tdmarkets.com. You can also email us at care@tdmarkets.com. See you guys once again Thursday, trading room, 2 o'clock, YouTube. Ciao, ciao.